Hello and welcome back to another English pronunciation class. And today the topic we're going to talk about is connected speech. Connected speech is a clever idea to speak English fluently, especially for second language learners. So let's begin. First of all, what is connected speech? Connected speech is when people are learning English. They often pronounce words as they appear in print or like in a plain paper. For example, where do you live? You pronounce each word of the question. Where do you live? But an English speaker who is very fluent will pronounce a sentence or the question differently. This is mainly because of connected speech. For example, same question, same four words, I'll pronounce where you live. So instead of pronounce each word, we make it like one whole word, where you live. Both forms are valid. When it comes to pronunciation, the most important thing is to be clear rather than to sound like a native speaker. Although any second language learner wants to speak like a native speaker. So today we're going to cover only one topic about connected speech. But before we start covering that topic, we're going to talk about connected speech and pop music. And you will be wondering, what does pop music have to do with connected speech? Well, it has to do a lot, because pop music has a lot of connected speech in the lyrics in every song. So pop songs are a fun way to improve your connected speech because they are repetitive. Song provides a great opportunity to notice links between words. They also give you the chance to practice connected speech as you sing along. So here's one feature of connected speech with pop songs to illustrate each point. And the topic is called catenation. So catenation is like linking words. So this is linking consonant sounds to vowel sounds. So when one word ends with a consonant sound and the next word begins with a vowel sound, the two words merge together with the consonant sound flowing directly into the vowel sound. You can notice this with phrasal verbs as in example B. But first, let's take a look at the example A. It said, right on the left of your screen says, it's a big opportunity. So anybody who's learning can take this and read, it is a big opportunity. But if we take the two words, the last two words, big and opportunity, and we go to the next, on the chart here, to the right, we got the G and the O on a red color. These two we're gonna merge and make one word, big opportunity. Doesn't have to speak fast, you have to pronounce big O, big opportunity. So you merge these two words into one. So instead of saying it's a big opportunity, you will say it's a big opportunity. And on the right, we have the IPA pronunciation. On the example B, we got what's called a phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs are verbs that are compound by two words. One is a verb, the other one doesn't have to be a verb. For example, we got here, I woke up at 7. So instead of saying I woke up at 7, you say I woke up at 7. Woke up. The letter E at the end of woke is silent. So you take the consonant, the sound of consonant K with up the sound of U, the vowel. So woke up. This is catenation, linking consonant sounds with the next vowel sound. So pop songs where you can hear catenation. We got an example here. In the 2017 song Shape of You, Ed Sheeran sings about being in love with his girlfriend's shapely figure as he tells her, I'm in love with the shape of you. So that word shape of you, we make it into one, shape of, shape of. We don't say shape of, we would say shape of. The next example is Little Mix 2016 hit Shout Out to My Ex. Is a song in which a woman ironically thanks her ex-boyfriend as shout out to my ex, who treated her badly but allowed her to learn some important life lessons. So the word here is shout and out, but the T doesn't sound like T, sounds like a soft D, shout out. This is because when we have a T between vowels, in this case we got O, U, and then the O for the out, it would sound like a soft D. That's what it says in the note. That connected speech, the letter T often converts to a soft D sounds when it appears between vowels. For example, daughter. We got D-A-U, G-H in English in the middle is silent. And then we got the T, and then we got another vowel, which is E. So it sounds daughter. So this is the class today. And to the end, we have an evaluation. So let's go and see connected speech evaluation activity. For this evaluation, to make this activity fun and enjoyable, you must do this. You need to find 5 pop songs that contain catenation. Could be anything you like, or especially the ones you like, because those are the ones you're going to listen to. Then you have to highlight every catenation you find. Write down the sentence, the catenation words, and the EP and the IPA pronunciation format. And then you have to share your findings with the rest of the class on a pronunciation or oral evaluation. So this is for today. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed class. Bye-bye.